Am I familiar with a study in PLOS called Virulence and Pathogenesis of SARS-CoV-2 Infection in Rhesus Macaques, a non-human primate model of COVID-19 progression, Zhang et al. Sent my children the PDF of your book, and my daughter, who wouldn't let us come to our grandson's 4th birthday party this weekend without a COVID test, which we declined, tried to poke holes in your argument and sent me a link to this study. The way to deal with all these, there's no convincing anybody of anything, but I did look at this study, the first thing you go to the methods, they say, how did they find this SARS-CoV-2? They put it through vero cells. So already, they're not working with SARS-CoV-2 at all. This is the same fraudulent virology that everybody does. There is no SARS-CoV-2. This was yet another, 100% of them are cultured in vero cells, which we know now is a fraud. When you think about this viral culture, think about these three things. One, we've disproven it, that the whole Stefan's experiments, the viral culture breaks down without any virus being put in it. That's number one. Number two, if you believe that a viral culture cultures this virus, then isn't an infection in your lungs also a viral culture? Isn't that what happens according to their own theory? A virus comes in, it, quote, infects your lung cells, it reproduces, it makes thousands, millions of copies, and then it bursts out and kills the cells. Isn't that exactly what they mean by a culture? And if it is, how come they can't find it in your lungs? And because there's no answer to that, the whole culturing thing is nonsense. And the third thing is, okay, let's say that you have this lung fluid and you centrifuge it or filter it, it's not purified. These same people say we have thousands, millions of different kinds of viruses in our virome. Presumably, all of them will grow on culture, right? Not just SARS-CoV-2. There is no theory that says only SARS-CoV-2 or whatever pathogenic virus you're looking for, that's the only one that can grow in a culture. So why don't these other viruses grow in the culture? Why can't you find thousands of different viruses growing in the vero culture? Why do they say we cultured it, we got SARS-CoV-2? That makes no sense. In other words, the culture is nonsense. So this study, they're not looking at any SARS-CoV-2 infection. They're doing vero culture cells just like everybody else.